Alright, this is Ethan, and he is actually quite afraid of people blowing their nose.
Ethan. Such a ham.
He's not looking at you. What was that, Ethan? Oh no!
Oh. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, doesn't like blowing the nose at all. No. Okay. All right.